Hello guys, good morning. This is tutorial number 61. This 61 tutorial I'm going to discuss about intersecting part body in CATIA. So how to use the part body, one part body to another insert in another part body. So let's choose the plane. I'll choose the XY plane, select a sketch, and then you choose the center rectangle and choose somewhere here. Now choose one circle, keep circle here. Now exit from a sketch. Now go to pad, isometric, and take 10 mm. Okay, so this is the part body, so you can change the part body name. Go to property and mention the first body CATIA. Okay, so first body CATIA. So now you insert another body, so I'll go to insert body. So body name you can mention, change the body name, second CATIA body part. Okay, so now if you select this first body, so it is selecting all the body. If you select this one, so there is no any part body. So if you expand it, so there is a pad. So this pad, if you want, just click and drag it and push it in this part. So now the first body going to insert, and now in second body you can see the all the two parts in second body. And if you click your first body, now there is no any part because I have insert in second body. So this is called how to move part to the another body. Again you insert another body, and I'll select part body 3. You change the part body name, third body. Okay, so now if you will go to a sketch, and or else you can sketch some in part body 2 in this surface. Select a sketch. Now I'll choose center rectangle and somewhere like this. Okay, exit, go to pad and click OK. So now you just select, and now you can see in this third body there is a third body, and this is the CATIA second body. So in earlier I have done this first body, so now it was this cylindrical and this rectangle part, it was in first body, so I move in second body CATIA part. So now in second body both parts. Now I create another part in the cylindrical face, so this is the third body. So if you want to this body move to this part, so you can drag it and sorry, just drag it and you just keep in this second body. So now you can see, sorry, drag it and push it there, sorry, expand it, and part, just select the part and drag it in this second body. So now if you click this second body, so now all three body it is in second body CATIA part. And if you click this part third body, so there is no any body in this third part body. And this is the first one, there is no any part body again. So if you want to create another face, so by default, suppose I want to create in this face, select a sketch, and I'll select the like this. Okay, exit, go to pad, exit, and go to pad. Okay, so now there is a third body, pad 3. So pad 3 it is in the second body. So now if you want to move this body to in third body, so now it will be in third body. So now you can check out, if you click this second CATIA part body, so now it is only 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this fourth one I create, so it was in third body. So again this part, if you want to move to this body, so you can directly you can insert in this body, or else if you want to change it another body, you can drag it and push it in this second body. So now you just click second body. Now you can see all four body in second CATIA body part. So this is called insert the part body in CATIA. I hope you understand these tools and operations. Thank you for watching this video.